This is AEW Metal 17389. Let's do this thing. Good luck. 5 times. Here we go. You'll get your 3 packs in order, obviously. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Top is Matthew, and then Luke splits 2 Tristans at the end. That's 5 times. Drop it in exactly where you picked up your spots, and save it, and away we go. All right, 5, 5, 5. About to go 3, 3, 3. All right, so we got 1, 2, 3 Matthew, 1, 2, 3 Matthew, 1, 2, 3 Tristan, 1, 2, 3 Luke, oh, and 1, 2, 3 Tristan. All right, we'll start with Luke. The lone 3 pack. The Merch Thunder Rosa, Brian Danielson. Morrissey, Big Bill, Ruby Soho. And then Orange Cassidy Technicians and a Dr. Britt Baker. We'll do WWE for Sarah straight after this. She's gone the whole box. Matthew Collier up next. I really want to see one of the green PMGs or even a 1-on-1. Bonzo Gonzo, Mox. Serenity Blue is backwards for some reason. We're very excited there because I've not seen a backwards one yet. These are all Matthew Collier. Chris Statlander, Jamie Hayter, shout outs. Tay Mello and Dax Harwood. MJF, Powerhouse Hobbs. Lance Archer, Technicians, and a Dante Martin. Hikaru Shida, 3 times, and Sting. All right, looks like Tristan might be our Danhausen is in this, yes. Might be our winner. Here we go. What is the hit though? Athena, Sammy Guevara. There he is. Ah, very nice. Bonzo Gonzo, Chris Judas, Adam Cole, baby. Feeling the love, Danhausen. Yeah. Chris Jericho. Hardware, Dr. Britt Baker, DMD. Thunder Rosa. Platinum Metal, Jay Lethal, Scorpio Sky. Tell you what, this better have something, otherwise this is one of the worst boxes I've ever seen. It does have something. Unfortunately, it's the... oh, it's not bad. 325 merch. Chris Statlander. One of the short print insert sets. Looks like the old cutter didn't do a great job around the armpits or the back there. But it is numbered 3 of 25. As well as a Claudio Blue. I picked up the wrong thing. And that is that for Tristan. Yeah, very nice card. That's a 20.